Yeah guys, made a stop in the shop before the barber shop. Kids need haircut. That Chinese man store, may I show you? Huh? What are you taking? What are you taking?
I want orange juice.
You want lime? One Leo?
What orange?
This.
Lime juice if you see the button.
This? Wait. Wait, I don't want the orange. I want glizzy.
Hey, don't pick up no madness, artificial madness here. Take up something what makes sense.
Yeah, where you want to take some carrots?
This have 15 calories.
It's 50 kilograms of sugar. Yes, coconut water, good choice. I mean, one, two. Hopefully it tastes good, because on every coconut water tastes good. Is that a real coconut water? Because this one is not a real coconut water. Yeah, when you buy coconut water, make sure you read the paper on the bottle. And some of them just artificial coconut water.
I picked the right choice.
Yeah. Alright, Leo gone first. Hey Leo. What Lenny is doing here? Pulling up him belly. Leo fell asleep. Hey Mila. Hey Mila. Hey. Huh? Man, I'm asleep. Come on. Hey. Mila eat cheese crunches. Look, her cheese crunches. Mila and cheese crunches.
Cheese crunches.
Come, let me give it some. Move the mic. You good? Tasty, yum. Hey, she started to recognize the camera and get shy. Danny. You like cheese crunches, Danny? What's your favorite Jamaican snack? Takis is not Jamaican snack. It's Mexican.
Cheese crunchies.
Alright. Give her some. Come here. You know Errol? You know the guy cut him eyebrow too? Next time, please tell them finna trouble the people. My bro. It missing the piece of. But look, the piece of the eyebrow is missing.
What is that?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry, we run like each other.
And Leo too? No? And Leo eyebrow piece.
No.
This one, come.
Oh, the end is up?
Here.
Alright.
Yeah, next time please tell Barber to leave the boys' eyebrows. No, I never get no style when it comes to eyebrows. Just the nice haircut. Haircut nice. But haircut nice still. Just the eyebrows facts. Yeah. Hey guys, ready for some coffee shop for some drink. Ooh, I'm in here. Drop. Yeah. Cool drink. We have a new plaza.
That's not bubbles.
It calls C4. C4 for you.
That's coffee with ice.
And these souvenirs.
Mama, look. This is coffee with ice.
And this souvenir.
Avocado
A
coffee.
Chinese writing on it. Look at that. People who speak Chinese. If that really means coconut drink or something else.
Water Where's waterfall coffee?
Because I don't know Chinese.
What the?
I don't
Look!
know
Oh
Chinese.
what is that?
Ooh,
Bruh.
that's a nice picture spot, actually. Come on.
Let's get in.
Hello.
Check it out.
What? Oh, I like it. It looks nice. Hello.
What can you try, Nikki?
Oh, they have even in Chinese menu.
What?
In Chinese, okay.
Mama, can we get bubble tea?
Oh,
Milk tea.
yeah, but bubble tea, bubble tea. Oh, you see bubble tea. Huh?
Colorful fruity.
Colorful. Yes.
Size.
Colorful fruity. Yeah. What kind of cake is this? Cheesecake?
Yeah, cheesecake.
Is it
and
croissant?
Strawberry.
And this one is croissant?
Mm-hmm. That one.
No, it's cake too.
Yeah. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate cheese.
This one.
Here. So everything come to almost $4,000. Just drinks, no food.
Mama.
Do you guys see? Do you guys see something? I hope you guys can see the bill. Do you want a picture? What's up?
Mina actually likes this spot. Mina, this spot looks like how coffee shops in Asia look. And coffee shop everywhere, but I just like it. Jamaica step up in our life. I love it. Swaggy, this can be when you look at chill spot. I like it. It's very calm. Yeah, well, AC. Yeah, AC of Miller. All the lights are attracting Miller. Lights are attracting Miller. Yeah, give me. They're still refurbishing the place. Plaza is pretty new. Yeah, so I like it. Oh, there's some kind of restaurant upstairs too. Not sure if it's finished, but yeah, looks like it's gonna be a vibe over here. So I want to see the drinks that we get first time trying them out. I don't normally get stuff at these places, but I see them have they call it grape smoothie. She excited, like you know what I'm here. That's my strawberry smoothie. Thank you.
Good morning.
Alright, I'm gonna try it out.
Oh, wait. Do I have my phone? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you. I never think I saw it small. Pretty small, but did I expect bigger cup for that price?
What's that?
Grand. 1,000. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Well, let's see if it
I
works.
expect big cup. In Kingston, you can't get a big cup for that. Please don't tell me you don't like it. Yeah, I feel drink. What? What? Okay.
No,
Let me try mine.
it is good.
It's okay. Yeah, I love it.
Love this. It's white.
Love this taste.
Daddy, wait. Daddy, can I try?
It tastes good. Yeah, man, it tastes good. It tastes nice. Can I try your drink? Give me a try.
I'm tasting then, no? You not lie? I'm come up with a try again. I'm like mine too.
Cool snap? I like a bubble tea. And the pearls nice and soft, right? This one looks nice. Wow, that looks nice. Oh, they give you teddy bear. Oh wow,
Let me taste.
that's nice. Guys, up on the plaza, you can as well find the souvenir store. Souvenir store, well fresh. Oh yeah, with lots of nice stuff. Yeah. And wooden souvenirs. Watch out. Be careful, yeah? When you touch people them things, make sure you're careful. Yeah. Wow, the variety of things is amazing. Even Jamaican jersey them have. No sir. No sir, so much cute stuff them have. Too much of the good stuff them have. No sir, look. Princess Jamaica. Mila needs this. Mila needs this. Mila needs this. We have to buy her everything. That's a nice store. What?
Mama, can I buy this? This costs for $19.
Yeah, tourists. Yeah, tourists.
This is $19.
Yeah, tourists. Put back people them things. Hey, Java. See? Jamaican, fully Jamaican suit. Crop top, Jamaica. That if you wear when you come to Jamaica. Represent. Fully representative. No, sir. They have lots of good stuff. Hey. Dreadlocks them there. Boy, hold on there. Wait, no man. You put it on. Rasta. Hey. No, Rasta no dance like that. You're Rasta from Bronx. What? You're Rasta from Bronx. Show me there. Oh, show me your Rasta. So, wait, no man. Come, wait. See? Yeah. Rasta man, Lion, aka Zion. We check there. Yeah, girl. Yeah, Rasta girl. Yeah.
I remember your phone in plastic case. Sing a song. You don't know about money, sir? One.
Guys, and that all the place light up in the dark. One thing about the place, well light up. Like them not afraid of GPS. Them not afraid of GPS bill. I saw all Jamaican road have to stay. But well dark. See the Jamaican road across. No light posts for ya. Here. You better make sure your lights on your car work so you can see the road. Otherwise, nothing you not gonna see. No light. Hey guys, me just say a mongoose. I wonder who do up my ground. So, are you a mongoose? Gone? Okay, so I just come out of the house and I saw a very strangely shaped excrements on my land, on me grass. So I was wondering, because sometimes we have stray dogs in our community. Yeah, man, that happens. So recently we've been having 3 stray dogs going through our garbages, rubbish bins, garbages. Yeah, through our garbages, and they would turn it over. I don't know if them catch them stray dogs already or no. But I thought first it was them. I'ma just come out surprisingly. I'm surprised I saw the mongoose. So that mean mongoose I walk upon we grass. Mongoose them there. Here, so I just did do some local drying. Dry my things them. I have to remove them on time because past few weeks after lunch, always raining, always becomes dark after lunch, so I have to do my laundry before lunchtime. We are waiting on another tropical rain. Well, we don't really have storm, you know. We have rains from storms. Thanks God we not really have directly coming on us tropical storm. Because after Beryl, well, at least I experienced one hurricane. Yeah. So can always tell people, yeah man, I've been there when Beryl had gone, yeah man. But there, yeah man, in Jamaica, and I go through a whole heap of stuff after. Like Beryl left us. Well, a lot of people were left without water, but because we have our own well here in our community, we never, thanks Jesus, we never struggled with water. And we had a baby pan me, and baby is under 1 year old boy, and I needed blender to blend the baby food. It was never easy, so I did walk to my neighbors. They had generator and them kind of stuff. Me no want to go through them so maybe again. And a nice something. It's nice for your book of life to say like, yeah, I've experienced one tropical storm, hurricane. Actually been there, so you can pass the stories to your grandkids. Yeah, but my kids, them experience it too, but them probably not going to remember, and them never struggled through it. Them never going to remember, so them can't tell nothing about it. Mila, island girl, she went through hurricane, and after hurricane, no water, no light, struggle. After hurricane struggle, we don't want them some to come again. Guys, we are in Ochi, and we are going to Payless. I am going to check out shoes.
You're the
Camilla.
girl on TikTok?
Yeah man, I'm
Are you the same one?
Yeah man.
My husband is Russian, by the way. He's here.
It's not Russian.
Huh?
Who Russian?
You're Russian or Ukraine?
Me a Russian, but
Yeah,
my
but-
husband is not.
My husband is Russian.
Your husband is
Yes.
Russian?
But,
Здравствуйте.
but he's not here. I don't speak the language
don't
though.
speak?
We live in Bulgaria as well. I sent you a message to let you
Oh
know.
yeah, I'm gonna check it out.
Yeah,
You like
yeah.
it there?
No.
You Jamaica, you say? You say
Only Jamaica. Only Jamaica. Because trust me, it's very, they're not as happy as we are.
Alright.
Let's just put it out.
Alright, so
Alright.
Jamaica, your happy place.
Yes.
Alright, bye, take care. Yeah man. So we are gonna pay this. Oh, my hair all over my face. I go pay this. Check out shoes for Mila. Check out some pretty cute shoes. Alright, let's go check out some nice pretty shoes for Mila. You need the pretty shoes. So shall rock your brother shoes then. When mommy save our black Air Force. Not bad, but we need something girly. And I don't really see our girl section. Oh, I think it's here. It's pretty girl. I'm gonna say pretty. Oh, I see pretty girl shoes. Why? They're nice. Look, Mila. Come. Hey, you know how long we did a dream for shopping at that section? Time enough. And also, them look pretty. You like it? You like it? Joshua likes it. Alright, go pick up yourself. Shoes you want. Pick up yourself. Something you want. Watch out. Watch out. She want nice shoes. To have all about pretty shoes for the girls. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. So pretty. Mila, you like this one? Milakos, you like this? Come, look at this one. I like Mickey Mouse. You like this one? How about this one? No? Mickey Mouse you like? Watch out. Choose only one. Which one you want? Can't afford two. I can't afford one. Can't afford two. But one we can do. You want this one? You want this one? You want this one? Why? Sure, if you pick one of shoes. Look at this one. Mila, you like this one? No, sir. All of them look like toys, right? No? Mickey Mouse? Boy, she ever want to taste, you know? Yeah, she not take mommy chat. She want what she want. You want what you want, right? And you not take nobody advice, right? A Mickey Mouse too, you know? How much for them? I said $3.50. $4 for your baby shoes. Yep. Boy, look on this one. But I just not like this material. So I go sweat tonight. Why? She wants what she wants. She wants this one. Alright, let's check out if they have size 5. Mila. This one. You like this one? I like this one. You don't want this one, you want this one. Lionel, show me something. What do you wanted to show me?
I wanted to show you.
Wow. I really love it. Your teacher draw you?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, he can draw. Very
and he
good.
Can even write, and he even write my name over.
Yes. You know what? We need to put it in a frame. I love it. It's simple, but I love it. Wow.
It looks. It kinda
What's your teacher name?
Mr. Graham.
Oh wow. He's an artist though. I love it. Yeah. Nice.
Mr. Graham.